tofu skin with vermicelli is not only highly satisfying and delicious, but most importantly, it's also very simple to make.
Today's recipe is a shortcut for lazy cooks because the seasoned shredded kelp is store-bought. Of course, making seasoned shredded kelp from scratch is also very simple. Since I have ready-made ones on hand, I'll share how to make it next time. Ingredients: vermicelli soy chip, kelp salad. About 50 grams of vermicelli is roughly enough for one person. Soak vermicelli with hot water until softened. Drain the soaked vermicelli and rinse it under cold water. Set aside for later use. Soaked vermicelli should not be eaten raw due to its tough texture and poor digestibility. Steaming it with other ingredients enhances absorption of flavors and sauces, resulting in a softer, more aromatic, and thoroughly delicious dish. Place the vermicelli at the bottom of the dish and top it with the seasoned shredded kelp. After thawing, remove the tofu skin from the package. This brand conveniently separates the tofu skin into 3 layers with transparent paper, each containing 3 slices. Toss the tofu skin with dry mix sauce to marinate and give it a base flavor. You can also use soy sauce if you prefer. It's entirely up to your taste. Mix kelp and vermicelli together. Place soy chips on top of kelps and vermicelli. Simply place it in the steamer and steam for about 15 minutes. It's ready even before opening the steamer. The aroma is already irresistible. The spicy and numbing seasoned kelp blends perfectly with the soft, absorbent vermicelli, creating a richly layered aroma. The tofu skin, barely infused with the mala seasoning and kelp's savory notes, offers a tender yet slightly chewy texture. Each bite delivers a vibrant burst of fragrant, spicy, and mildly sweet flavors, while the lingering heat intensifies the overall satisfaction. The dish remains flavorful yet never overly greasy, leaving a refreshing and addictive aftertaste. It's a harmony of boldness and balance that keeps you coming back for more. Kelp is really rich in dietary fiber. It helps your intestines move things along smoothly and prevents constipation. It contains something called fucoidan, which can help reduce inflammation in your digestive system and improve gut health. The soluble fiber in kelp also acts like a prebiotic. It feeds the good bacteria in your gut and helps keep your microbiome in balance. Now, for the skin, kelp helps your body get rid of heavy metals and toxins. When you have fewer toxins, you're less likely to get breakouts or dull-looking skin. Also, kelp is high in zinc and vitamin A, both help control oil production in your skin. That means better hydration and fewer acne issues. And finally, kelp contains antioxidants like fucoxanthin. They fight free radicals, slow down skin aging, and help you maintain a more youthful glow. So honestly, eating kelp regularly is not only great for your gut, it's like natural skincare from within. Hey, just so you know, vermicelli is actually great for weight loss. First, it's much lower in calories than rice or noodles, so you can eat a similar amount but consume fewer calories. Second, it's super filling, helps you stay satisfied longer and avoid overeating. Third, it's naturally fat-free and low in oil. Pair it with veggies and protein for a balanced, light meal. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.